Hello guys, are you worried about your battery health on the laptop? So here I have a HP laptop and my HP laptop is always on the dock station, which means it is on full charge every time like this. So I'm quite worried about my battery health that it will deplete over the time, but do not worry. Here I have a hidden HP setting to fix this problem. So let's start the video so that your battery will be saved. So for that, we have to enter in the voice mode through F10. Then we can do a setting over there. So my laptop has turned off completely. Then press the power button and immediately press the X button. Then it will go to the startup menu. Here, click on F10. Then go to the configuration tab. Then go to the adaptive battery optimizer and make sure it is enabled. This setting automatically protects your battery when your laptop is always plugged in or used on a dock. Even if Windows shows 100%, HP internally limits charging voltage. This prevents battery damage and increases long term battery health. So you don't need to unplug your charger again and again. If this video helped you, then please like the video, subscribe, and comment your laptop model. And please let me know if you have any questions on the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in another video. Bye.